और अब मुझे now today I have received one sample which is an EDTA and a Clotter sample, and after that I have to switch on my Mindray, which is a CBC hematology analyzer. For CBC hematology analyzer, you first of all you have to switch on the hematology analyzer. The switch will be on the bottom, and whenever you switch on the hematology analyzer, the light of thermal roller and the switch on light, which tell us the machine is on or off. It will take first. It will the file analyzation. This is basically the BC2800. During that process, I have to take the sample and do some rotations like this. You can also use the rotator as well. Always noted that the sample should rotate, should be very uniform. There will be no hard rotation because it will break the analyze the RBCs and the results will be not accurate. And now I will tell you what to do during the hematology analyzer. Now there is a hardware test, now the tubing test. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to be ready for the sample. During that time I am rotating my sample like this. Tubing test, all the tests will be of 100% correction. Machine check all the things like their tubing, like their files, like their reagents, everything machine is going to test, and then it will be okay and ready for the use. I'm still waiting as now. After all types of tubing and all type of reagent test, the machine is ready for counting the blood sample. Now you can see in the bottom of LCD, the machine is showing that ambient abnormal temperature. It means that the room temperature is little higher. Now you can see my sample is ready. Now for this I have attached my another keyboard to it. You can also use this keyboard, but I just press the F1, and this I have to put the edit sample information. I have to put the information as my ID, my sample ID is 278, which is 2, 7 and 8. Now I am not putting anything because I don't want to put anything on the internet. So I said yes, and now my sample is ready. Just push the cap and move it like this. Like you have to touch the knob to the bottom of the sample. You can feel it like this, and now push the button. Now remove it as the knob is going inside. Preparing to count WBC. Now the machine is counting WBCs. Now preparing to count RBC. First it measure the WBCs, then it measure the RBCs. It will take around 2 minutes to complete one sample, and this machine will measure the 30 sample per day. You can measure more, but ideally it will measure the 30 sample per day, as it is very this machine is for the very low setup, counting RBCs. After RBCs, the counting is going to be finished. This is the result, and now you can see this is the print of the CBC. Everything is measured on it, everything is placed. This is the platelets, is 311, HB is 13.3, WBCs, these are the WBCs parameters, RBCs parameters and platelets. It will also showing the graphs of WBCs, RBCs and platelets. And this is how you can measure the sample CBC of CBC of any patient with BC2800 Mindray.